Hey crafters, it's your girl again with another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of this bad boy here. And yes, it is a heat press. It is a HTVRONT auto heat press. I have been looking at this heat press lately, and I have been like, oh my gosh, this heat press looks so cute and so portable. So everything that anyone can ever ask for, I was asking myself, like, why didn't I see this heat press that's 1 year ago when I started this business? I would have 100% gotten this heat press. I told myself I would definitely buy this heat press when it's time, and this is the time. I got it. So I already created a spot for it, as you guys can tell. You can see that. So I have this long table with a lot on it, but I'm clearing up everything, and I'm going to have this place just for pressing shirts. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. I'm so excited to see what's in here and see how it looks like and all of that good stuff. It comes with this manual, HTVRONT, and comes with a Teflon sheet. Alright, is this a Teflon sheet? It feels different, but it is a Teflon sheet. And this is the big boy here. Let me bring you guys closer so y'all can see her, him, whatever. So this is gonna be a her. So we can see her, how she looks. She is white in color. I decided to go for white because for the most part, most of the things in my office is white. And yep, I don't know how I'm gonna take this out. Let's see here. Oh goodness, alright, this is no joke. It's a heat press, y'all. You see me here. Alright. I know I should go call my husband to help me, but I always feel like I can do a lot without my husband's help. That's just me. I like to do things myself without asking for help until I cannot do it anymore. Then that's when I'm like, oh, okay, I give up. I need help. So that's just me. Alright, we finally got that out. Phew. So we're gonna lift this out. I'm excited. Okay. Alright. Oh my gosh. You guys see it? Let me place it so you guys can really see it. Oh my god. I'm excited. Can you guys see this? Oh my gosh. I don't think I need to put anything at the bottom. Let's see how the bottom looks like. Okay, it has these little knobs. Yep. So this is not actually sitting on the table. These are the things that are actually on the table, so I don't need to place nothing. So I am going to plug it so we can see it together, and I'm gonna press a shirt. All right, how do I get this open? All right, I'm like, how do I get this out? So it has the cord attached to it, so I'm trying to get it out of the place it gets stuck. So this is the cord. I'm excited. So I am going to, I have what they call it now, this back on this side of the table. On this side of the wall, I have plug. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this here. Alrighty. We're gonna see it together. Now I'm gonna move the bulbs out of the way. I just get this crap out of my way. The main thing that I need is out. Nice too. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this here. And I'm going to, I think this costed me, let me bring you guys closer. It costed me probably 200 and something or 300 and something, cheaper than my first heat press. So I'm like, psh, so affordable. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna move this backward a little bit because of my son. He likes to touch. So I'm gonna move it back all the way to the wall because I got a baby. At least my daughter can listen to me. My son, huh? Nah. Wild too. Do y'all have a wild too? A 2-year-old that just don't want to listen. They feel like they know everything. So this is on. I'm not a manual person. I just be doing stuff myself without even looking at a manual. So, but this I will look at it. So this knob here, I'm gonna bring you guys much closer. It's getting late in the evening, so you can see my shadow. So this is the increase button. There's two here. This is the start button. How do I do? Am I supposed to press onto it? Say start. This is the switch. Oh shoot, your girl's about to fly out of this place. That's cute. Switch. Okay, this is the temp here, temperature. This is a timer. It just tells you everything. This is the modes. I don't know what this is going to be for. This is custom and this is auto. This is just where we're going to see all the digital. So how do I lift this up? I know I'm not supposed to. Okay, this is padded. It comes with a pad. That's beautiful. That is good. And is a pull out. You guys can tell, you can see it pulls out all the way. You see that? And how do I lift this part up? Oh, that's it. So that's the best you can lift. I guess that's it. So I'm gonna change the temperature to what I need it to be because I'm about to press a shirt I've been holding off on. So I'm gonna set this at 375 and for 25 seconds. I'm not gonna touch this because I don't know what that is. It is in different modes, so I'm not gonna mess with it. So I'm gonna put the auto so it can lift up when it's ready. Press here. Oh, this is for pressing. Go back up. Alrighty. So I'm gonna let it heat up until it gets to what I want it to be. Then I'm gonna come back and start pressing shirts, and we're gonna see how it look like. Guys, so this is ready. You can see this green light just popped up and it made a beep sound, so that tells me it's ready. So now I am going to press the shirt. I'm just gonna try to see because this is my first time using this, so I'm hoping it is you know, gonna work out good for me. Seconds. Oh, that's auto. I forgot I set it for auto. So get into 5 seconds. I'm gonna lift it up, and I'm going to pull it out, and I'm gonna make sure I don't have no lines on the design either. I'm gonna place this, and I'm going to use my parchment paper that came with it. And it's a huge parchment paper. We are going to hope and pray that this works. This heat press works good on this. I'm gonna pull this in. So we're gonna let it do its thing for 25 seconds.
Okay.
So you guys can see it's ready. My son is in the way. Move backwards, buddy. Oh, that got stuck at the top. Okay. So I'm gonna see if this is gonna work out good, because it says firm pressure. I'm not sure if this is firm enough. I'm gonna put it back in. I can see some of the ink still on it, so that tells me that this pressure is not good enough for it. So I may have to change this pad or put something underneath to get the pressure. So I'm not gonna take out the transfer. So I had watched a lot of videos on this here, on how people are saying it's not firm pressure. If you're doing sublimation, you don't need to be using this kind of heat press and stuff. But I watch a hack that we're gonna be doing right now. So I'm trying to see, thinking this is gonna be too thick. I'm gonna put it on this here with the pad that came with it, and this is gonna make it a firm pressure. So I got this from my other heat press. That's what I use for my other heat press. So if this here is not gonna do the job, I will have to take it back. I'll have to return it. Got it from Walmart. Alright, we're gonna try this again. Hopefully it gives me the pressure that I want, because I could see the design on the paper when I was trying to take it off, and that is not supposed to be like that. So when I use my other heat press, I don't usually have that problem at all. So we will see if this is gonna work out fine. So move a little bit, buddy. Pull this out, and I'm gonna bring you guys closer. The other time I could not pull it out because the design was still on the paper. So this is firm pressure and peel fast for best results. Yeah. All right, there's no design on here. The first time there was design, this time there's no design, so everything is transferred in the shirt. So okay, so going forward I'm gonna have to be using this pad. So there we go. This is our first shirt using this heat press. So my conclusion on this heat press, it's not gonna work out for me. You know why? Because it doesn't have the pressure that I need for pressing shirts, except if I'm doing vinyl, because vinyl is medium pressure. But for this one, it is, for what I always use, for the most part, anything that I'm doing is always like hard pressure. So this baby here, it's cute, but it's not gonna work out for me. Let me show you guys the error that I got from this, or whatever you want to call it. So this is the shirt that I made. You guys may not be able to see it, but if you look at this side here, can you guys see that? It kind of is chopped off. Can you see that? It's kind of chopped off because all of the transfer did not get in the shirt. And look at that. Can you guys see that? All of that is in this transfer. So I am pissed because shirt is not cheap. This is $5 and let's say 50 cents, I cannot remember, on AJ Blanks. It is not cheap. I do not like to waste. So I am so sad. I am so sad. But I'll have to reprint and press this shirt, not this shirt. I don't know if I can still redo it because I know the size I saved it. So I don't know if I can match it up with the exact design. I don't know if it's possible, or I'll have to make another shirt. I don't know. But this bad boy here is going back. It's cute, it's fancy, but guess what? It's not something I can do. I can add to my business because it's just fancy. It cannot do what I need it to do. Press shirts and give me great quality. It's not gonna give you great quality. So I would not recommend this for a start. If you're gonna start this business, this is not the one to start for this business. This is going back. I'm gonna bring back my beautiful, durable, trustworthy, and reliable purple baby. That's what I'm gonna be using going forward. I'm not even gonna look for any heat press. That heat press, it costed a lot, but it's worth it because it's great quality. I did not know heat press, you gotta think about it, you know, I didn't know that heat press will have qualities of production. I really did not know. This is my first time, and I was pissed when this happened to this shirt. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to do a review on this, and of course this is not gonna work for me for my business. It is going back. I already started the return, and FedEx is gonna come pick it up on Monday. So I'm gonna pack this bad boy up, and of course I'm gonna take this pad out before I pack it up with it, because this came with my other heat press. So yes, but I just wanted to come here and show you guys, tell you guys what I'm going through with this, and let you guys know this is not a heat press to buy if you are gonna be doing sublimation. Anything that is hard pressure, not medium pressure but hard pressure, you don't want to go for this. You want to go for the one that can give you the pressure that is required for your job. So, and one thing that I do not actually like about it, that this doesn't go up as much as I want it to. I'm so used to my heat press, the way it goes up all the way, so these just don't go up, and this is the most you can get from it, and that's something I do not like about it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging with me. As always, stay positive, work hard, let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. Peace out.